vlog day number 1. Well, now, Jake, you cook now. Let me take.
No.
Hi guys.
You don't even know how to hold
Today, like this. Today.
Sorry.
It hurt. So she just hit my ear. Vlog people. You know what? No. Steffi, come back.
No.
Come back.
She tried to kill me.
Come back.
No.
I'm not gonna stab you. I will. Jay, I'm not gonna stab you.
Okay, go back upstairs, put it away.
Alright, come on. I'll put it away. Come on. There, I'll put it away.
Can you really stop?
Okay, I'm done.
Come in front of the door. Open up the fanny pack.
No! Okay, I don't have nothing in the fanny pack.
Turn around. All the way. Uh-huh. I just fell down this.
Are you okay? You flew Come on, okay. Let me see the camera first. Look, this is a camera, okay? So today, now Jay's cooking. I'm just going to stand here and watch because she's a cook. Get away from me. And we'll be doing... Get out of here with that
Is it
nonsense.
unfrozen? It's not even unfrozen yet.
Spell unfrozen.
You know what we're going to do? We are going to end this part and we're just going to show you all the steps in time lapse. Peace. We deleted half of the video, so yeah. And this rice was so disgusting. It was so nasty. Like, we didn't even touch it with a, like, no, it was so disgusting. And it stunk. I'm about to make that chicken. I think it's defrost, like not the middle, but it's kind of getting there. We're going to dump it out this. There's only 2 breasts in here. You want to cut it up?
Yeah.
Okay, can you get a cutting board out of there?
Here?
Yeah. So we're getting a cutting board. We'll be back on time lapse.
All that shit that I had did, and I'm thankful for that shit that you had done while we was kids. Bring my soul up in this music, and I'm hoping that you hear. I'm steady screaming 4K Trey, I'm trying to spit a nigga wig. All these bitches telling lies, but if you know me, don't think twice. Instead of doing what's wrong, little bitch, you do what's right. I feel like fuck living disguise. I show my wrong, don't have my right. You saw me down, you tryna show off for the hype. Don't do that lame ass shit. I fuck with you, but you don't fuck with me. But somehow we still find a way to text each other before we go to sleep. I don't know shit about no Jodeci, but you gon' suck me to his music while I sit back, think and smoke my weed. Big killers around me, they look up to me. I got them baddies, I won't say.
We're still cooking. The rice that we made isn't that good. It's a little bit burnt because of her.
How?
But we were making chicken stew, and we got a little bit of broccoli. We don't know if we're gonna eat the rice, but we are cooked it, so
Gotta have a bite. You gotta have a bite of it.
yeah, we each gotta just eat it. I'm about to mix it with the
The chicken, the broccoli, this.
So yeah, we about to start making our plates. So yeah.
I ain't with it. Mama told me that she love to see when we together. I looked and smiled.
Our food is done. We're about to enjoy it, watch some Netflix, and continue with this vlog. This is what are we eating?
Good job to us.
I'm proud of us. Goodbye. We'll see you later when we're ready and dressed.